Well, this was supposed to be the final ride on the elevator at Kohl's in Forest Fair Village, and it technically is, but this thing got modded for a wasteful, probably few months of operation. And by a mod, I mean they like fully replaced everything. There was no point to this. Why did they bother? They wasted all this money for nothing. It's a KONE now. Well, this is my only ride on this elevator in this form. I can't believe that they did this. That's crazy. I love the blue lights. I can't believe they modded this. Right at the end too. Like I said, this was such a waste of resources. Like, it's a really nice mod, but this should have been done at a different location. They shouldn't have done it here. Take it back upstairs. There's your call station up here. Just better look at the shaft up here. Since the light's on. Alright, we'll end at 1. I cannot believe they modded this thing. If they knew they were gonna close the store, why did they bother? It's such a nice mod too. Oh well. Alright. There it goes.